Hey there, Heather Boyd here. Welcome to day 3 of the 10-day Art and Gratitude Journal Challenge. This challenge was inspired by my dear friend Allison. She created several gratitude journals that were totally inspirational. We created a book in her honor with some of her beautiful pages from her gratitude journal. You can learn more about Allison and her journey in the description below the video. We used to work together at the local art school and we did lots of arts and crafts together and totally inspired each other. This is my gratitude journal that I created in her honor with lots of unexpected inspiration. I'll also link up where you can purchase this 8x8-inch sketchbook. I just love the square size. And without further ado, let's get into today's challenge.
Today we're starting with a color pencil drawing of an eye. I did a collage around my eye, but you can just do drawing or a mix of drawing and collage. You can use magazine photos for reference and do whatever you want with it. I also have a fast motion demo of an eye drawing that you can watch in slow motion. We will start by sketching out the shape of the eye. I have more detailed instructions for this challenge in the PDF book that accompanies the 10-day challenge. I will link it up in the description below. Now we're going to go ahead and do the circle inside, having it just cut off a little bit at the top and bottom, and then go ahead and do the pupil. And we have our basic shape. You can do the eyelid. It's really helpful to have a photo for reference if you have a fashion magazine. Now I'll go in with my color pencils. I've left a little white shape for the reflection that will stay as the white of the paper. Be sure you do this because it gives the eyeball a really realistic effect. And now I'm using a round stencil as a guide and going ahead in and adding the color, different shades of blue, a little darker around the outside. And it's fun to have the stencil because that way you can keep it a round shape. Just go around and building up those colors. And then I decided to do some collage around the outside, and then I did white outlines with the Posca pen, and I added some details with some micro pens and Sharpie for the eyelashes. Just use your imagination, have fun with it. And check out the ebook linked up below for more detailed instruction and more images to inspire.
Thanks so much for watching the video. You can share photos of your work from this challenge in my private Facebook group. I'm going to link that up below. Thank you so much to my dear friend Allison for inspiring this challenge. Have fun with the challenges, and we'll see you the next time. And always remember that art is never a waste of time.